Hey gang, Patrick Murphy here. Just want to share a quick little tip that I use to get stickers off of boxes. If you're anything like me, you like to reuse, recycle boxes. And a lot of these boxes will have stickers and stuff on them. So I'm going to show you how I get the stickers off. Alright, so check it out. This is the box that we want to get the sticker off of. Now what I like to use is an actual heat gun. Not a hair dryer, but an actual heat gun. What you want to do, get it warm. It's kind of hot to the skin. Obviously, you don't want to burn yourself. If you notice, I'm actually moving it back and forth. That's what we're going to do on the box label itself. Alright, so check this out. And you see how up there at the top, I don't know if the camera picked that up, but okay, and you see how it's starting to turn black? What I like to do is about 10-15 seconds. Alright, put that over there. Start up here. There we go. So now you can reuse the box. Pretty quick and simple, straight to the point. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit subscribe, hit thumbs up, leave a comment, all that other stuff. Till next time.